How to join the Blox Discord server. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can join the Blox Discord server. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Discord account, and here you have to click on this plus icon to add a server, and you have to go on the join a server. Now once you are in here, you have to add the invite link in which you have to type the discord.gg/bloxfruit, and here you just have to click on the join server. Now in my case this server is currently full, so it is option showing that you have to try again later. So in many cases this option occurs, so you have to wait for a few days to unfull this server, and after that you have to repeat the process and go on the invite link and join the server. And that's how you can join a Bloxfruit server in your Discord application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.